Okay, we just need to finish up this example and then there's just a couple more examples. Um, all right, so to recap, we just plugged in all the stuff from the picture and solved for QU. But the question wanted to know what SU is. And so we found QU is 15. Well, QU is made up of QS and SU together. So that's why I wrote this here. QU equals QS plus SU. And again, we know QU is 15, so that's why I put 15 in there. QS we know is 6, and then now we can find SU. So all we have to do is subtract 6 from both sides, and then we'll know that SU equals 9. That's the real answer to the question. All right, next one. Same type of problem. So again, they gave us the setup and we just have to fill a bunch of stuff in. So MQ, this whole thing, 6 plus 15, MQ, 6 plus 15 is 21. MN is 6. LQ, I don't know how long that is because I don't know what this part is, PQ. I don't know what LQ is, so I'm just going to leave it as LQ. And then LP is 5. All right, so we got the setup. Now we're going to cross multiply. 21 times 5 will equal LQ times 6. And we're trying to get LQ alone. So we're going to need to divide both sides by 6. Actually, I'm going to back up. Hang on just a second. Before I divide, I want to know what 21 times 5 is. 21 times 5 is 105. So we have 105 equals LQ times 6. Okay, now I want to divide by 6. So I get LQ alone. Okay, so 105 divided by 6 is 17.5. And that's what we were trying to find, LQ. So we're done with that one. Okay. All right, I think this will be the last one. Again, we have the setup, so we just have to look at the picture and fill stuff in. AB is 16. BD is X. AC, oh, I don't know what it is, but the whole thing is 30, and this portion right here is 10. So if AC plus 10 equals 30, if the whole thing is 30, then that means that AC would have to be 20, because 30 minus 10 is 20, and those add up. 20 plus 10 adds up to 30. So AC is 20, and then CE is 10. Okay, now we're going to cross multiply. 16 times 10 equals 20 times X. And 16 times 10 is 160. And then to get X alone, we're going to have to divide by 20 on both sides. So 160 divided by 20 is 8. And then now we got to just make sure we've answered the question. It says find the length of BD. Well, BD is X, and we just found that X equals 8. Okay, so that's it for today. That was a little bit less than 20 minutes worth of video, so now you have about 20 minutes to get some homework done. And I bet you can get a fair amount of the homework done right now in class, okay? And then I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.